In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn at least $500 every weekend with Fiverr affiliates. I'm going to show you how to do everything in this video. And if you're new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first step is to create an account with Fiverr affiliates. And all you need to do is to head over to affiliate.fiverr.com. and you'll be brought to this page where you just need to click on this Start Earning Now button. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page where you just need to enter your basic details and you will have your account created right away. So once you create your account, the second step is to go over to Google and you want to type in any niche right here. So there are so many niches you can use. You can use salon, you can use pharmacies, you can use restaurants, you can use cafes. All right, so there are so many niches out there that you want to use. So I'm going to take gym as an example because there are so many people who have created businesses around this niche. So once you type in any niche right here, you want to click on maps. So once you do that, Google is going to show you all the businesses on Google Maps that are available under this niche. All right, so now the next thing you want to do is to come over to this section that says rating. And you want to basically look for businesses that are performing poorly on Google My Business. All right. So all you just need to do is to click on maybe 2.0 rating or 2.5. So anything less than 4.5 is not really performing well. So if I keep scrolling down, I'm going to see so many businesses that are performing poorly. You can see this is one right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this business as an example. All you just need to do from here is to basically scroll down and you want to look for the website of this business. So all you just need to do is to go over to their website. So once you come over to the website of this business, as you can see right here, like I mentioned earlier, this is someone who has created a business under this niche. As you can see, they have their plans right here if you want to join their membership. So what you want to do from here is to go down to the bottom of this page and you want to look for the contact us button. You can reach out to this business and let them know you can help them fix their rating on Google My Business, because the higher the rating they have on their profile, the more likely people are going to patronize them and the more money they are going to make. So now the next step is to come over to Fiverr and you want to type in GMB ranking. All right, or you can type in GMB listing management, bad review. You can see there are a lot of keywords right here that you can use for this business. So I'm going to take in GMB ranking as an example because most businesses will want their business to rank as high as possible on the search result, because the higher they are on the ranking page, the more likely people click on their business and the more money they are going to earn. So once you do that, as you can see, there are various sellers on Fiverr who are going to help people fix their ranking on Google My Business. All right, so I'm going to take this person as an example. As you can see, this is a top rated seller right here. And if I scroll down, you can check out the rating of the seller as well. You can see the seller has a lot of good rating as well. And also important thing to note is to make sure to choose a gig that has a very reasonable price, something like $15 to $50. So once you found a reasonable price and a seller with a high review, there is Fiverr CPA and there is Fiverr Hybrid. So for those who don't know the meaning, what Fiverr CPA means is you get paid between $15 to $150 for every single person who purchased any Fiverr gig under your affiliate link. And for the Fiverr CPA, you will get $10 upfront and 10% for the next 12 months for whatever that person purchased on Fiverr. So now to see the prices, all you need to do is to scroll down and you are going to see the prices with their respective category. All right, since we are using this niche as an example, the Google My Business ranking niche, you can see this is under the digital marketing and local SEO section. So now if you go to the commission page, you want to scroll down. As you can see, this is under the digital marketing and SEO section and you are going to get paid $30. All right, as long as the person is a first-time buyer, you're going to get $30 from Fiverr affiliates. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So you can select any of these category as your choice. And so you know this method cannot get saturated because you can target any business in any country of your choice. Okay, so if you zoom out of this, all right, you can see right here, you can target any country of your choice. So let's say I want to go to Dallas. As you can see right here, Okay, so once I'm in Dallas, all I just need to do is to click on search this area. All right, so these are gym businesses that are available in Dallas. So this tells you can use this strategy to target any business from any part of the world that you wish to target. And so, not all of these businesses are going to have a contact us form page like this one. So anyone that doesn't have it, they are going to have alternative means that you can use to contact them. As you can see, this one has Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. So anyone that you see YouTube, you can basically go to their channel and copy their email address from their channel. So if I click on this one as an example, all I need to do is to come over to the About section, and you can see you can copy their email address. So that is another way to get the email address. But if you can't get the email address, all you just need to do is to use either the Facebook, Instagram, or their Twitter. So once you come over to the contact us page, you want to enter a first name and a last name. You don't really have to use your real names. If you don't want to, you can come over to this website called fakesy.com, and you'll be able to get names that you can use and phone numbers you can use as well. So once you enter the details, you want to make sure to create a Gmail account, and this has to be a real Gmail account so that when they reply you, you'll be able to send them the affiliate link. And here I don't recommend you pasting any link here because it's going to look spammy. And now for the main message, you want to just write something simple like, I came across your business via Google. So this is to let them know you actually saw their business. And now you want to let them know that everything looks great, and you want to let them know don't let your business fall behind in the competitive world of local search. With people searching constantly for local businesses online, and having a high Google My Business ranking is crucial for visibility and attracting new customers. Our highly skilled professional Talha will do all the work for you, and you will start seeing the result in your online sales. And the reason why I use the professional Talha is because this is the name of the person we are redirecting this traffic to. Okay, so basically once they click on the link, they are going to see this person here, and it's going to make sense to them because the name correlates. So this is how you want to keep your script simple, short, and straight to the point. And once they reply you to your email, like I said, you want to make sure the email you use right here is original and a real email address. So you want to create a brand new Gmail for this purpose alone. And I can assure you that many of them are going to reply you, and some percentage of those who reply you are definitely going to purchase the gig. So if you reply about 100 people over the weekend and only 20% of the people decide to purchase this product, you'll be making about $500 to $600 every single week from that small percentage alone. Once they reply you, all you just need to do is to come over here to copy the Fiverr link. And all you need to do is to go to your Fiverr account, click on the default and dip link. And like I said, you can use the Fiverr CPA, the Fiverr hybrid, depending on what you want. But I personally go for the Fiverr CPA. And you want to click on this landing page URL, and you want to paste in the link, and you want to click on enter. So once you click on that, all you just need to do is to copy this link by clicking on this button. So once this business replies you, so all you just need to do is to shorten the link with URL shortener like bit.ly. So once you shorten the link, this is the link you want to send to them. And once they click on the link, they'll be brought to this Fiverr sales page. And once they purchase this gig, you make money. It's that simple. That brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find some value in this video, please drop a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.